How to break the heart in love, how to change the person. Sometimes, he pushes on the way of destruction. In this way, he has been made a king from God in the ball boot. Now, this sword moves forward in a solid way. Pradeep Randhanathan, starter Tamil film Dragon. Don't look at the title of this film, and neither the hero of this film nor the film. Because this film has surpassed the earning of 144 crore rupees in Tamil. So, let's explain Tamil film Dragon and know its full story. If you like the video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel, so that you get the latest and fresh content. So, the beginning of the film is from 2014. The story is of a boy named D. Radhavan, who is an ideal student. In the 12th year, he brings 96% marks and dreams of settling in the US with his favorite girl. His crush is Anjana, which he likes since childhood. And now, because he is going to be in school in the last day, so he goes to propose to his crush. But Anjana complains about Raghavan. Although he wins the gold medal, his heart breaks. Here, Anjana tells him that you are a good boy, and he likes bad boys. Anjana tells that there is no value in the school and college of good boys, because he gives his education all the time. But bad boys are very entertaining, and he has a lot of time. He can give his girlfriend time, so he likes bad boys. Seeing this, Raghavan's heart breaks. He also said that now he will remain a bad boy, so he calls D. Raghavan a dragon, and now he wants to try his best to change it completely. After which, the story is shifted to the point where in 2020, we can see AGS Engineering College. There is a principal's entry in college. And we know that there is going to be a new admission. And there is going to be a fresher's entry. So, the principal is telling some things to the fresher. He tells that if there is less than 95% in 12th grade, then you will not get admission in this college. After which, the principal starts telling the story of a boy of this college. He tells that boy's name is D. Raghavan. And now, everyone calls him a dragon. In 12th grade, he had 96% in today's 48th grade. It means that he has a bag in the 48th grade paper. Now, it is known that Raghavan also has a girlfriend. Her name is Kirti. Kirti loves Raghavan a lot. So, she has made a dragon tattoo on her body. Now, after some time, it is known that Raghavan's friends have fought with other college students. After hearing this, Raghavan immediately reaches to fight. And the other college students hit him badly. Because Raghavan's friends are his family. During this fight, the car of the principal is broken by mistake. Seeing this, the principal gets very angry. And now, he wants to get Raghavan out of college. But Raghavan's support was full of college. He won't let Raghavan go to college like this. Therefore, the principal says that if this cannot happen, then we look for another solution. You will have to complete your 100% attendance. But for this, Raghavan was completely against it. And he tells the principal that you keep your attendance with you. And your whole degree too. Because he doesn't want to do this college. So, Raghavan left his college like this. And the back of the 48 paper is also broken. Now, no one knows what Raghavan does. In fact, the principal sets an example in front of the professors that you people don't want to be like Raghavan. After which, we see Raghavan and his whole family. His parents are in his family, which is very much preparing him. Because Raghavan goes to work and his salary is 18,000 rupees. His parents were very happy at that time. After which, Raghavan leaves for his office. After a while, when he stopped at a house. And as soon as he entered that house, so, it turned out that Raghavan is a very big useless person. He is ready to leave his house and stay at the house of his friends. All his friends go to the job. And he sits at home and asks. He smokes, eats food and makes more meals. His girlfriend Kirti is still with him. That's why he doesn't even worry about money. That's how Raghavan's life is going on. When a month passes, Raghavan takes money from his 4 friends. He collects 18,000 rupees and gives it to his parents at home. Seeing these money, the family is happy. But later, Raghavan takes all this money back from some excuses. and then he gives it back to all his friends. That means, where this money came from, it went back. So, this is how Raghavan's life is going on. At night, Kirti calls Raghavan to a restaurant. Raghavan felt that he might find it fun today. But it wasn't like that. Because when he met Kirti, Kirti's mood was completely off. Both are in a relationship for 6 years. Both love each other a lot. That's why Kirti tells Raghavan that the boys came to see him today. The boys are very handsome and educated. And his salary is 1,20,000 rupees. He is a very good boy. But Raghavan got all these things lighted up. Because in such a relationship, many times have already come. But Kirti refused every time. But this time it wasn't like that. Because Kirti said yes. After hearing this, Raghavan gets angry over Kirti. He starts saying that how can you say yes like this? We both love each other. You can't deceive me like this. That's why Kirti yells at him. Kirti also says that a girl like you can live with boys. But she can't be a life partner. Because you are a failure of a number. After hearing all this, Raghavan didn't have faith in the beginning. What does Kirti want to say? But with his tears, it was clear that Kirti wants to go now. The heart of Raghavan is completely broken. He drinks a lot and comes to his friends. He was crying a lot. Raghavan's friends also understood that something bad has happened to Raghavan. Raghavan tells them the whole truth and says that everything is over. After breaking his heart, Raghavan's condition was the same. And in films, he is shown to be very big. Raghavan didn't sleep for a long time. So when he was going somewhere from the bike, suddenly he gets sleepy. And his bike gets accident. When all his friends took Raghavan to the hospital, the doctor here tells Raghavan that he hasn't slept for a long time. So this is his condition. And if he stays like this, then his problem can be bigger. The doctor here explains to Raghavan that you should move ahead. You will have to forget and make your life successful. Because if you make your life successful, all these things now Raghavan started thinking. He had no degree, so how will he earn that much money? Then he has a boy named Raghavan. He plays cricket with all his friends. And he has become a very good friend of his. So Raghavan calls all his friends to his house for a party. While doing the party, here Raghavan comes to know that Raghavan's heart is broken. So he goes to him. And in the same way, Raghavan comes to know about some truths of Raghavan. That Raghavan also had no degree. He also had a bag in the 28 areas, meaning 28 papers. But he got a fake degree through a consultancy. And he got a job through him. Now he earns 1.5 lakh rupees a month. So Raghavan gives the number of the consultancy to Raghavan. And our hero reaches there the next day. After listening to all the things, Raghavan comes to know that he will get a fake degree. But for this, he will have to give him 10 lakh rupees. After listening to this, his senses were lost. But still, he tells his parents about this. Mom was completely confused that where will he get so much money from? He cannot give so much money. But his father was completely on the side of it. He says that he will give so much money. Because if he gets 1 lakh rupees a month, then who is this job looking bad? He keeps his house at home and gives him 10 lakh rupees. The next day, Raghavan collects all this money in the consultancy. So he got a fake degree through Raghavan. Now it was about the job. He will get a job but he will also have to give him a fake interview, in which Raghavan will only give his lips, and our son will give the entire interview to him. They do the same. Raghavan gives an interview here for a big company. But for Raghavan, this was just an interview of a name. Because the boy sitting next to Raghavan was answering all the questions of the interviewer. This interview is successful, and Raghavan gets a 16 lakh package. After seeing this, Raghavan gets very happy. But still, the consultancy man says that you don't need to be so happy. Because you still have a job. But you will have to work very hard there. If you don't work hard, then they will get you out of the job. But Raghavan doesn't do that. In fact, he works very hard. He doesn't care at all. And he takes his work very seriously. He makes his work a profession. Gradually, he does his work so well that he gets the Best Employee Award. And his salary is 2.5 lakh rupees per month. Because of which, he buys a new car, a new house, everything. He was so successful that he started liking a beautiful girl in the office. But now, Raghavan doesn't care about love. That's why he rejects that girl. After that, a very big family gets a proposal for Raghavan. Actually, he is a very big man of the city. His name comes from Parshuram Steel. When Parshuram found out about Raghavan that he cares a lot about his parents. When he found out that Raghavan is a very good boy. So, he liked Raghavan very much. That's why he wants to get his daughter married to Raghavan. So, Raghavan and Pallavi meet each other. But Pallavi doesn't want to decide so quickly. So, he wants to go on a date with Raghavan. Now, they go on a date where Pallavi observes everything about Raghavan. She sees how Raghavan is a boy. But Raghavan was a very good boy. And he was telling all the truth about Pallavi. Like he told the truth about his past relationship. So, while seeing all this, Pallavi likes Raghavan. Both of them get engaged. And after about 6 months, they get married. Both of them are often on the phone. When they were talking on the video call, Pallavi repeatedly said to Raghavan that your cigarette habit is very bad. Why don't you leave it? So, Raghavan says that this is going to be my last cigarette. After that cigarette will never drink. So, he throws his cigarette from the car, which was his last cigarette. When he reached his office, he found out that Raghavan has been promoted. And he is being sent as a manager in the US. Looking at this, Raghavan was very happy. But this happiness doesn't last long. Because after some time, in his office, Raghavan's principal comes here. So, the story goes into the flashback. Because when Pallavi asked Raghavan to leave the cigarette, the story reaches till then. When he threw the cigarette here, that cigarette fell directly on the principal. And here the principal saw Raghavan. He saw Raghavan in a very expensive car. And he had to see where this guy is going. So, after following Raghavan, the principal reaches Raghavan's office. And now, he meets Raghavan. They talk in between. The principal tells Raghavan that he knows him very well. No one will give a job without a degree. So, how do I get a job? But here, Raghavan doesn't hide anything from the principal. In fact, he tells him the whole truth. He tells him that he has achieved this job with a fake degree. But now, he has become very successful. And he has also worked very hard. After 6 months, he is going to get married. And his promotion has also been done. Because of which, he is being sent to the US. But, the principal doesn't listen to anything. He tells Raghavan that the boys who are more educated than you are wandering around in such a way. But, you are doing S here with a fake degree. You cannot forgive like this. You can only forgive in the same way. And he says that if you are stuck with your 48 papers, then clear them. After listening to this, Raghavan's eyes are completely broken. How can he do this? But he didn't have any other option. So, he had to say yes. He tells the family of Pallavi that he is being sent to Chennai for a very big meeting in 3 months. So, he comes to his office and says that due to the preparation of the marriage and some complications, he will have to leave for 3 months. And he will work from home. So, he had got time for 3 months from both the places. And he now has 3 months to clear his 48 papers. But, he thinks of making some trouble. He calls in the consultancy and finds out that he can only clear 1 or 2 papers. In the college, Raghavan meets a boy who is inspired by Raghavan. And his name is Chota Dragon in the college. Actually, Chota Dragon wants to be like a dragon. Because there is no such person in the college who doesn't know about the dragon. So, Chota Dragon wants to be a dragon here. So, giving time to Pallavi in the middle of studies and working from home was very difficult for him. That's why, there is a new professor's entry in his college. And he is not someone else, but Raghavan's ex-girlfriend. After seeing this, Raghavan was completely surprised. Because he never wants to see Kirti. And he hates Kirti more than the limit. That's why, he immediately goes to the principal. He tells him to remove the new professor in the college. because he is his ex-girlfriend and all this is happening because of him. But the professor says that he doesn't know that he is your ex-girlfriend and all this is happening because of him. He is well qualified for this and that's why he has come here. So, Raghavan says that if there is such a thing, then he is leaving this college. Whatever happens, he will be seen. He starts packing everything and from here, when he was trying to do it, there is a news. And it turns out that Raghavan, who was working with a fake degree, the police caught him. After seeing this, Raghavan was completely surprised. This news had reached Pallavi's family. He was also abusing Raghavan. And he was saying that such people should be put in jail. Rahi kasar, here the boss of Raghavan has completed it. The boss here tells Raghavan that you must have seen Raghavan's case. That's why we will also check everyone's records in our office. If this happens to us, you come quickly and then we will also check your records. After hearing this, Raghavan was completely surprised. That's why he reached the principal. He tells Bone that I will clear all the bags. This was the only way for him. This was a very dangerous way. Now, when Raghavan was quietly sad at night, then he comes to Kirti. Kirti tells him that I know all your problems. But Raghavan doesn't want to talk to him. He doesn't even want to see his face. But Kirti tells him that I can help you. I can clear all your 48 bags. Because if I do this, then my guilt will be over. And the girl you want to marry, you will do it with her. Then I will never feel this guilt. Let me do this. Then Raghavan also forgives him. And from the next day, Kirti starts helping Raghavan in his studies. And Raghavan was also studying with great honesty. Although it was not so easy. But Raghavan was not wasting any time. He was focusing on his studies. Now, the exams had come. And gradually, Raghavan starts giving all the exams. All his exams were going very well. Because he had done very well in his studies. Because now he started working hard. Now his head was only saved on the last paper. That he comes to Kirti at 12 o'clock at night. Because today is Raghavan's birthday. Kirti comes to Raghavan at 12 o'clock at night. Because she tells him that she might not be able to meet him from tomorrow. That's why she came here. That's why she has a call from Pallavi. She gives him a birthday wish. And she also gives him a surprise. She says that I have come to Mumbai, where you are training. I have come to surprise you. But after hearing this, Raghavan's uncle flies away. Because he is in Mumbai. But he is at a place where he cannot go to Mumbai. Pallavi was calling him only for 5 minutes. If he does not come for 5 minutes, then his marriage can be broken. That's why he takes Kirti's car and reaches to meet Pallavi, whose journey was about 6 hours. After 6 hours of journey, he meets Pallavi. But Pallavi was a little doubtful. That as soon as the feeling came before him. Now there is no discussion. He feels that Raghavan might be lying to him. But Raghavan tells him that he is saying that he is not lying. Everything is going right. After meeting him, after 6 hours of journey, he goes back to college. And today is his exam. There was a Kirti on the gate, which she wears, and says best of luck. Because this meeting was going to be his last meeting, after which Raghavan starts giving paper. He was writing in the right way. That suddenly he starts sleeping. Because he did not sleep for many days. And last night he did not sleep at all. Because of which he started darkening in front of his eyes. That's why he was writing everything in every room. When he used to go to everything. But because of sleep, he was doing everything. So this too was his problem. But later he returns to his office. Here boss tells him that only your record is left to check. Everyone else has been checked. But listening to this, Raghavan was completely surprised. Because if he asks from his head, then the whole truth will be found. And he can be removed from the job. Boss immediately called Raghavan's principal and asks about Raghavan's record. The principal said that he is a good person. But only then Kirti tells that his bag has been cleared and he passed because the result came today itself. After listening to this, Raghavan was happy. He was crazy. And then after a few days, His wedding preparations start. After 2 days, Raghavan and Pallavi were going to get married, for which they were very happy. That's why a small dragon here tells Raghavan that his friend has had an accident. Actually, he has tried to cut his nose, but now he is absolutely fine, and he is going to see him. But Raghavan says that he too will go with him. When Raghavan met him, he tells that his dream was that he should do a job in Google, but this dream has been snatched from him because he has a bag in one of his papers. When he was the most intelligent in his studies, Raghavan says that if you were the most intelligent, then how can you find a bag in the paper? The boy tells that someone has changed my copy. He also has the copy with me. When he shows Raghavan, then Raghavan was surprised to see that copy, because this copy is actually Raghavan's, who had written everything in a bad mood. When he sees it, Raghavan is completely destroyed, and then he goes to the scene. When Raghavan's paper was damaged, then he immediately called in the consultancy, because he wanted to change this paper, because he could only clear 1 or 2 papers. Then when he said he had changed this paper, but this paper, he had changed it from Ganesh's paper, so Raghavan has ruined his poor life here. Ganesh wanted to pass this exam. He wanted to do a job in Google, who had snatched it from him. Seeing this, Raghavan was feeling very bad here. The wedding day was also completely sad. His mind was not feeling anywhere when they were about to get married, and when Raghavan was about to wear a wedding dress, and he was about to wear it. Then he goes to the board, and immediately he goes to his principal. He tells all the truth, where Raghavan's boss, Raghavan's family, all the family members of Pallavi were present. Raghavan tells his principal that he has lied a lot in life. He has done a lot of bad things, but he has not given anyone a right. But today, because of me, Ganesh has become bad. Because of me, he will not be able to do a job in Google. That is why I want you to get him back. By doing anything, listen to this. Raghavan's mother comes to him, and she starts hitting him. Because Raghavan had lied a lot to him, he broke everyone's heart. The wedding was over, and all the family members were about to hate him. After a while, the police comes here and takes him to the jail. On the other hand, we see that Raghavan's friend Ganesh, who wanted to do a job in Google, he got a job he wanted. He was very happy with his job. On the other hand, we see that there was going to be a new admission in college. All the professors had come, and the principal was going to set an example again. He tells that in our college, there was a boy named Raghavan who chose the wrong path to be successful. Because of the wrong path, he was successful, and he could have been successful, but he told the whole truth. If he didn't tell the truth in front of everyone, then I wouldn't be telling you today that Raghavan was a hero. After a few months, Raghavan leaves the jail, and Raghavan's father takes him to his house. Raghavan was very sad. He apologizes to his father. He tells them that if I have hurt a person the most, then it's you. But you didn't even hit me. In fact, you didn't even say anything to me. Raghavan's father says that when I was small, there was a race. And in that race, in order to go ahead, my neighbor boy, he pushed me forward, because of which I got hurt in my stomach, and I am not able to walk properly. But you didn't do that. You didn't push the boy. In fact, you supported him. And you said the truth. After hearing that, in front of everyone, I lost my chest. After which, after a few days, we see that the principal has a food delivery boy, and he is not any other. In fact, our hero Raghavan, which tells him that now I am very happy because I am doing a small job, but I am doing an honest job. Then the principal comes to Raghavan's house and tells him that I have brought a girl for you. But Raghavan, he started taking her out of the house. He was saying that I don't want to get married to any girl. You leave my house immediately. The principal was telling him to take a look at the girls once. But Raghavan didn't want to see the girl. That's why the girl comes here. And Raghavan, he likes her a lot. And this story ends here itself. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then like the video and do subscribe to the channel so that you can get the latest and fresh content. Stay tuned with our channel. Thank you.